Once you log into your WordPress dashboard, you will see that interface, which is your website's backend or your admin area for your website. So from here, for example, you can create pages for your website like homepage, about us page, contact us page, and so on and so forth. Or maybe you can install applications or plugins to your website to add certain functionality to your website, like adding security application or plugin, or even a page builder to easily create a stunning website. So here on our left side, we can see different tabs or areas of our WordPress dashboard. By default, once you log in, you will be on dashboard, which is going to show us different notifications of our website. So here we are getting different notifications from those free plugins we installed while we were installing our WordPress, and they are not really that important to our website. So anyway, I'm gonna be removing them soon. But here we can see that we have a notification from Monster Insights plugin and another one from WP Forms. You can also close them from here. And Jetpack also another plugin. So if you're using a different hosting, maybe you will be seeing different notifications. And you can easily customize your dashboard from here. Screen options. You have different boxes in here. You can disable WP Forms, for example, that one. Anyway, we're going to delete these plugins soon. So let's close that one again. And anytime you'd like to access your profile, you can hover over Howdy. You'll find Edit My Profile, or you can log out from here as well. And if you're using Bluehost, you'll find Coming Soon active. So if you visit your website by entering your domain's name or your website's URL, in any tab you will find that Coming Soon page in here. So if anyone tries to visit your website, he'll be seeing Coming Soon page. Which is really nice as we didn't really design our website yet. Anyway, let's go back to our dashboard and see how our website looks below that coming soon page. So if you hover over that welcome in here, you can see visit site, right clicking in here, open a new tab. This is how your website looks like right now. If we don't have that coming soon active, that's what people will be seeing, which is really ugly. As you can see, it doesn't even look like a website to people. But don't worry guys, we're gonna be creating a stunning website soon. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's discover how we can be customizing more of our settings. So here, for example, we have users. We can hover over that one. We can see that we have all users, or we can add new users or your profile. Well, basically you can add more admins to run the same website, or editors, or even clients. So anyway, let's visit our profile for now. From here you can change admin color scheme. Instead of these colors, black, gray, and blue, you can select something like that, for instance. However, let me set that back to default so everyone else can feel familiar with me. And from here as well, you can change your password and email address for WordPress. You can generate a password from here or change your profile picture, which you can see in here. And now let's move to settings, then selecting permalinks. And this is actually a very important step for your website. So here you have the common settings for websites. So let's say you have a contact us page or even a post in your website, how you would like to have your website's URLs looking like. Of course, you want them to look nice and neat, something like that. So for example, your domain's name, then you will have sample post or contact us page or whatever in here. And instead of having something like that, day and name, or even month and name, then also very important, scroll down and save that. Always guys, remember to save. And now it's time to create our website's pages like homepage, about us page, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in next one.